Good morning, students. To now we are going to see exercise 2.5. The fifth question is find the fifth root of. The question is to find the fifth root of. So here the number given is 32. We are going to find out the prime factors. Fifth root they asked. Actually we are getting till 5 roots only. Okay. So it is nothing but 2. What is the fifth root? Just last n we are getting, that is 2 only. So we can write the fifth root of 32 is 2. Okay. Now the second question is 243. So for this also we are just forwarding with 3. So here also the fifth root is 3. So we can write the answer to be the fifth root of 243 is 3. That's clear, ma? Okay. In exercise 2.6 the first question is simplify. So it is just addition of the numbers with the root numbers. So it is root 3, it's nothing but irrational number. Okay, we know about it. So 5 root 3 plus 18 root 3 minus 2 root 3. So while adding this, you know very well 18 plus 5 we can add, it is 23. 23 minus 2 is 21 root 3. Okay, now the second question is 4 cube root of 5 plus 2 cube root of 5 minus 3 cube root of 5. So all the power, if you see, means the root of, that is the power of 5 is 1 by 3. That is cube root of 5, cubical root. 3 it's there means we can say it is a cubical root. 2 means we can say it is a quadratic root. Okay. So now here we are just adding 4 plus 2, 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. So 3 cube root of 5. Just we can add in a normal addition. Now the next question is simplify. For the simplification part, second Roman letter, the first question is square root of 3 into square root of 5 into square root of 2. It is also just a multiplication. So we can take the root, square root to be in the together for all the numbers. Just we multiply and give the answer. It is square root of 30. And for the second question, it is given square root of 35 divided by square root of 7. So the same square root we can applicable for 35 by 7. So we can just cancel that and we can give the answer to be square root of 5. And the third question is cube root of 27, cube root of 8 into cube root of 125. So here 27, the whole power 1 by 3, because cubical root. So 1 by 3, all the power it's cube on it, so it is 1 by 3. So 27 can be written as 3 cube. 8 can be written as 2 cube. 125 can be written as 5 cube. So automatically 3 into 1 by 3, the 3 will cancel. So we get only 3 into 2 into 5. By multiplying you will get only the answer to be 30. Fourth question is 7 root a minus 5 root b into 7 root a plus 5 root b. This is of the form a minus b into a plus b. So a squared minus b squared. So we can write as 49 a, because square root of a, the whole square is nothing but a. So 49a minus 25b. Now the third question is, it is given that square root of 40 minus square root of 20. Okay, so we can write, but before that they have given the values for 2, 5 and 10. Square root of 2, it is 1.414. Square root of 3, it is 1.732. And square root of 5 is 2.236. And for square root of 10, it is given 3.162. Students, you must learn the values at least for 2 and 3 and 5. That is more important. At least these 3 values you have to learn it. Okay, so it will be better useful in future. So for this we can write 8 5s are, and 20 can be written as 4 5s are. And it is cube root of 8. Okay, so we can take that square root of 4 into 2. So 2 it will be taken out. So 2 into root 10 minus 2 root 5. Okay, then the value of square root of 10 and square root of 5 is given. Just we can substitute that and we can get the subtraction and we can get the answer for this question. And the second question is square root of 300 minus plus square root of 90 minus square root of 8. So here also we can write it as 300 can be written as square root of 3 into 100. Square root of 100 is 10. So 10 root 3. 90 can be written as 9 into 10. Okay. So in that case also 9 means we can write it as 3. So 3 root 10 minus square root of 8 can be written as 2 into root 2. Then substitute the values for root 3, root 10 and root 2. So automatically multiplying and then solving will get the answer to be 23.978, which is the absolute answer for this question. Is it clear, ma? In this third Roman letter I have completed both the sums. But in the second Roman letter, I have done even second Roman letter also. I have completed almost all the sums. Only one sum is left out, that to be your homework. So without fail, do that homework. Okay. Thank you.